Crypto is tanking yet again, and I should have seen this. We had a rising wedge on my Ethereum trade, and I should have gotten out, but you know, you see what you want to see, and I was figuring we were done because the low was 3,100, and it's not the low as of right now. Well, it's still the low. I'm down about 23,000 at the moment, but what is going on here? So if I look at the daily is looking like it is forming potentially a hammer candle minus somewhat of a spinning top, which can be bullish, saying a reversal. We're trying to stay above this trend line that I have forming here that has sort of a much larger rising wedge pattern, which could break down, but we've seen lots of wicks and we're getting back inside there. But going on to a smaller time frame, you can see that this guy did in fact break down, and from there it went down about 13%. But right here, closing out is where should have gotten out, was the first 4-hour candle closing right here, but instead held on to this sucker, and now we're starting to see the first green candle, and we had a 4-hour hammer candle close, which that pretty much represents the bottom. The RSI is oversold at the moment. Even on the daily, it has been reset, but it is crossing into bearish territory. We will see what happens on Friday for the jobs report to come out, but overall I am still very bullish. But this has definitely been a difficult December and January. It has not been easy to make money. I'm up about close to 100 grand for the year. However, man, trying to 10x that is seeming difficult at the moment. But everybody stay positive. Alt season is still coming, because when we see as far as the tether dominance here, saying are people feeling like they should be having more tether on hand, which senses it's the consensus of the market saying, hey, are we staying bullish or are we going bearish? And as of right now, we broke down this trend line here and we're bouncing, we're staying below it, which is nice. We're bouncing up to it, getting rejected, bouncing up to it, getting rejected, meaning that people are flooding their money into tokens, which is good. I want to see that. And if we look at Bitcoin dominance, it is starting to come down. It is starting to come down. It is the same deal that is going on at the moment. Is we've got this trend line and we're trying to bust above it, but we keep getting rejected. The next level is this trend line that I've drawn down here. And again, this can be considered a rising wedge that's fallen below the higher time frame. And for that, I am saying that we are going to end up breaking down from the rejection here, and that's really when alt season is starting, especially once we get close to this 50%.